Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we're coming at you with this group called AJR. I don't know that much about them. When I look at the music video for this song called Way Less Sad, they look to have a lot of fun. They look like they are in a great big community, living collective. And I don't know, this song sounded good and fun to play. So let's dive into it. So the chords, they are D, A, B minor. You bar it on the second fret like this, and the rest is like an A minor. So that's B minor, and the last chord is G. And as you see, no capo used here. So just standard D, A, B minor, and G. And the song goes pretty much in D, A, and B minor, round and round. And in the chorus later, we will use G. But first and foremost, the verse, it's D, A, and B minor, B minor. So D, A, B minor, B minor. And the strumming pattern here is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. D, A, B minor, B minor. So, till we come to the pre-chorus. And the chords are the same there. They are D, A, and B minor. But there we add a little clap like this to it. So I play it like this. Down, up, clap, down for every chord. So slowly it's... And you clap on the way up. So I don't strum all the way up like this. I'm just hitting the top strings here, E and B, maybe like this. So full down, and on the way up, E, B, clap, and full down. So slowly with the D chord, it's A, down, up, clap, down, and B minor. Down, up, clap, down, and one more time. B minor, up, clap, down. So in normal tempo it will sound like this. Yeah, and so on. So this was the pre-chorus, and then we come to the chorus, and here is where the G chord comes in. A part of the chorus is just like one downstroke, so it's B minor first, 1, and then G, and then D, and then A. And in this way you play two turns, so one more time. B minor, B, G, 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 D, and A. So only one downstroke for these chords. And then the chorus continues with the same chords. It's D, A, B minor, and B minor again. So it's like in the verse, and yeah, and like we played almost through the whole song, D, A, B minor, B minor. And here we have some more action. So I play it like down, up, down, up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up. For every chord, so this is the standard tempo, so down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And with the chord progression here in the continued chorus, it sounds like this. D, A, B minor, B minor, and so on. So this pretty much covers the whole song. Way Less Sad, a fun song to play, and perhaps very song friendly. So if you have a voice, which I don't have, I believe, then you can add some voice to it and just play along with these simple chords. I hope you enjoy this, and if you do, please subscribe to this channel. It will help me a lot, and I will really appreciate that. Or just leave a comment or a thumb up. Maybe leave a comment for future videos, so I can have some new ideas to build this channel. So thank you for your support, and as always, don't forget to play a tune or something.